How to reset encrypted password in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and tap on the settings option from the bottom right of your screen. You will then see the option for chats. Tap on that and further tap on the chat backup option. Now, tap on the end-to-end encrypted backup option and further tap on the change password option. Now, go ahead and tap on the I forgot my password option you see there and further verify your identity with your biometrics or device PIN. You will then be required to create a new password for your backup. So go ahead and create a new password, and with this you will be able to reset the encrypted password. So this is how you can reset encrypted password in WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.